Can you make money on Fiverr? Well, I'm going to spend the next 30 days trying to answer that question by posting my own gig and trying to get some clients. I've actually tried selling on Fiverr before though, back in 2021, but I was pretty unsuccessful. I think the main reason I didn't get any clients was because I didn't market myself well, and there were sellers that were undercutting me with pricing and quality. So hopefully I can learn from my mistakes and turn this around. To start, I need to create a gig, and I don't think I'm going to do logo or website design. Even though I do have some experience in both areas, I want to try something different. And since I started my YouTube channel 1 year ago, I've learned a lot of skills such as talking to a camera, writing a script, creating a thumbnail, and best of all, video editing. So I think I could definitely utilize my thumbnail design skills, but I'm leaning towards video editing for a few reasons. The first is that I can use my talent as a YouTube video editor to my advantage when marketing myself. And the second reason is that I can charge more for video editing than I can for thumbnail design. And if I work efficient enough, then it should result in a higher hourly rate. So now that I've chosen my gig, I'm going to fill out all the information needed to create a gig. And I've followed and gotten a lot of information from other Fiverr freelancers in my same niche, so I can make my own gig unique. This part took me a lot of time, not only because I wanted to be trustworthy and thorough, but I also wanted to stand out. So I made a video. Hey, my name's Ethan, and I hear you want your YouTube video edited. Well, here's why you should choose me to edit your video. I'm also a YouTuber. Just like you, I have my own YouTube channel that I've been posting content on for over a year now, and I've learned to add text, color, transitions, overlay, sound effects, and music to my videos to keep the viewers engaged, and I can do the same things to your videos. If you didn't notice, my DMs are pretty quiet as of this recording, so I'm not going to charge as much as my competitors, but I can assure you that I will give you my best work no matter what, and if you're not satisfied, then I will continue to redo it and revise it until you're happy. And because my DMs are quiet, I'm also fast, meaning you don't have to wait weeks for someone to edit your video because I can do it in days. With all that said, if you're still not convinced, please check out my other work and let it speak for itself. And if you are convinced, I can start working on your video right away. Just shoot me a message. So my gig is active now, and I think my video, my description, and the 2 photos I posted are enough to start getting buyers. But I was watching some videos from other Fiverr freelancers, and it sounds like it might take some time before Fiverr starts promoting my gig. But I'll keep you updated. So it's been 5 days since my Fiverr gig went live, and honestly, nothing much has happened. I haven't gotten any messages from potential buyers, and when I searched my gig up a few days ago, nothing came up. But today, I did just get 1 impression, so Fiverr might have just started promoting my content. I'll check in when I have more news, but if I don't start getting buyers soon, then I might have to make some changes to my gig. Alright, so today is day 14, and I've still gotten no impressions. And the one I did get a few weeks ago, I think it was just myself. I've checked my account every day now, and I haven't seen anything new, so I'm kind of getting a little discouraged. Since the last time I checked in, I've cut my pricing in half, and I watched a video on why I'm not getting impressions, and it's because there's too many video editors in the space, so I really have to stand out. But I'm not sure what else I can do. Fiverr does say to share your gig, but I don't really know anybody who needs a video editor, so I don't know how this can help. I guess all I can do is wait. Day 30. Well, I've got nothing. No messages from Fiverr, no impressions, nothing. This video did not go as planned, and I figured I'd continue the challenge, but I got distracted with other projects and decided to end it here. To reflect a little bit, I want to say that making money on Fiverr is not as easy as just posting a gig and making money. It takes time and promotion, and if I were to continue this challenge, I would start reaching out to smaller YouTube channels and asking the creators if they wanted their videos edited for a super low cost, just so I could get the ball rolling on Fiverr. But last time I posted a gig, which was on logo design, I had a completely different experience. I was getting 70 impressions per day, but I think because of the job and demand difference, it's a lot harder to get customers organically through video editing. I hope you found some value from this video, and if you plan on doing Fiverr freelancing, all I have to say is depending on the type of gig you want to do, prepare on doing some work beforehand, promoting your gig to start making some money. If you want to learn about other side hustles such as dropshipping, which if done correctly can make you thousands of dollars a month, click here. And if you like this video and want to see more of my content, please like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.